Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how you can easily convert any web app that you have developed into an Android application using the Cordova framework. Let's get started. If you have an app that you have developed using web technologies, it may not always be worth it creating the exact same application again using Java or Kotlin or even Flutter. Sometimes all you want is to get your application out and published as quickly as possible. This is where a framework like Cordova comes in. It takes your website or your web application and converts it into a package that you can then publish on the Google Play Store for others to download. Now, I have developed this point of sales application using Vue.js, and I would like to convert it into an Android application. So that's what we'll do today. The first thing that we'll need is to download the Node.js application. You can go to nodejs.org and just grab the latest long-term support version. After that, we should be able to open up our terminal and type node-v and see the version that we have installed. Next, we'll need to install the Cordova framework itself. So we can install it by typing npm install -g for global and then Cordova. This will install the Cordova framework that we'll use later to build our application. While that's installing, let's also install Android Studio, as Cordova will need it to actually build our application. So we can go to developer.android.com/studio and just download the latest version from here. Next, we'll also need the Java Software Development Kit version 8, at least at the time of this recording. So let's install that as well. Just scroll down and choose the version for your operating system. The last thing we need is to install the Gradle build tool. It should be included in the Android Studio, but for some reason it wasn't included for me. So again, just scroll down to the installing manually section and choose the binary only format. Once you have all of these things installed, we should be ready to build our application. So let me now go over to my other computer and we can start building our application. Alright, so the first thing that we'll do is create a new Cordova application. And for some reason, my keyboard is not working. There you go. Cordova create, and then give the name of your application. Now, for example, POS app. Then we'll need to give it a unique domain name, something like myapp.mydomain.com.myapp, and then the name of your app, my app or my POS app. This is going to create our project. Now that we have our project created, we need to add a platform, and we're going to add the Android platform. So we're going to type Cordova platform add Android. Once we've done that, we now need to add a plugin called the in-app browser plugin. So we can just type Cordova plugin add Cordova plugin in-app browser, and we'll use this browser to display our web application. Next, we're going to need to accept all licenses. For some reason, it wouldn't build without it. The last thing that we need to do is say Cordova build, and then the platform is going to be Android. And this is going to build our APK. Another thing you might want to do for a Cordova application is add a viewport meta tag and set the user scalable property to no. This will hide those archaic looking zoom in and out buttons. And as you can see, Our APK has been created in the appdebug.apk package. We should be able now to open this from our Android device and run it as a native application. And that is how you can turn any web app into an Android app in 5 minutes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more educational videos like these. And I will see you guys next time.